Imagine waking up every morning, knowing you never have to work again. No alarm clocks, no deadlines, just the sweet, sweet taste of financial freedom. Picture yourself lounging on a beach, laptop in hand, managing your income streams from anywhere in the world. Financial freedom is entirely possible, if you know where to put your money. Today I'm going to break down the 5 most powerful assets that can help you escape the 9-to-5 grind and achieve true financial freedom. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal the absolute fastest way to break free from the shackles of your job and start building real wealth. Let's talk about one of my favorite ways to build wealth: dividend stocks. Now, you might be thinking, stocks? Isn't that risky? And yeah, like any investment, there's always some risk involved. But here's the beauty of dividend stocks. You're not just relying on the stock price going up to make money. These companies, they make profits, right? And instead of keeping all those profits to themselves, they share a portion of them with their investors. That's you, in the form of dividends. Think of it like getting free money just for holding on to the stock. Now the key here is to focus on established, stable companies with a long history of paying dividends. And the best part? As you reinvest those dividends, buying more shares, your income snowballs over time. Real estate has been a cornerstone of wealth building for generations, and for good reason. It's a tangible asset, it's a hedge against inflation, and it can generate some serious cash flow. Now I know what you're thinking. Real estate? That's expensive. I need a ton of money for a down payment. And yeah, it can be a significant investment up front. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be a distant dream. One strategy is to start small with a rental property. Maybe it's a duplex, a small apartment building, or even just renting out a room in your current house. As your tenants pay down your mortgage, you're building equity in your property. And here's the kicker. You can leverage your existing equity to purchase more properties, expanding your real estate portfolio and creating a true cash-flowing empire. Alright, let's face it, bonds might not be the sexiest investment out there. They don't have the same thrill of potentially skyrocketing in value like stocks or real estate. But you know what? Sometimes boring is good, especially when it comes to protecting your hard-earned money. Think of bonds as the steady eddy of your investment portfolio. They're not going to make you rich quick, but they provide stability, income, and a crucial layer of protection against the volatility of the stock market. Bonds are generally considered lower risk than stocks, especially government bonds. They act as a buffer, helping to cushion your overall investments from major market swings and protecting your capital during times of economic uncertainty. Now, we're getting into the exciting stuff. Owning your own cash-flowing business. Imagine this, a business that generates income month after month, without you needing to be there every day, clocking in and out. That's the power of building a business that works for you, not the other way around. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities for entrepreneurs to create and scale businesses with relatively low overhead and the potential for massive growth. Think about online businesses like e-commerce stores, digital marketing agencies, software as a service, SaaS companies, online courses, and education platforms. The possibilities are endless. This means building a team, automating processes, and creating a sustainable model for generating passive income. It takes effort up front, but the rewards of owning a successful cash-flowing business are truly life-changing. Alright, let's talk about the investment strategy that gets people really fired up: investing in startups and growth companies. This is where the big wins happen. The kind of investments that can turn a small amount of money into a life-changing fortune. But I'm going to be straight up with you. This is also the riskiest category of assets we've discussed. Investing in startups is like trying to pick the next Amazon, Google, or Tesla before they become household names. It's about identifying companies with groundbreaking ideas, disruptive technologies, and the potential to revolutionize entire industries. Now, the vast majority of startups fail, but the ones that succeed, they can explode in value, generating astronomical returns for early investors. Think about it. If you had invested just $1,000 in Amazon back in 1997, when it first went public, that investment would be worth millions today. By doing your research, understanding the market, and investing in companies with strong leadership, a solid business plan, and a product or service that solves a real problem, you can increase your chances of finding those hidden gems. So there you have it. 5 powerful assets that can help you achieve financial freedom and live life on your terms. We talked about dividend stocks, cash-flowing real estate, bonds, cash-flowing businesses, and startups and growth companies. Remember, the key is to diversify your investments, manage your risk, and never stop learning. Don't be afraid to start small, take calculated risks, and stay consistent with your investments. Now go out there and start building your financial empire.